What's up, everybody? We're Pop Top Disc Golf, and today we're doing the Flippy Disc Challenge. Let's do it.
Woohoo! So we got 12 Flippy discs. Got some classics, got some goodies, and some not so good in here. We're each gonna pick a disc at random and then use it for the entire hole. As soon as we're done with the hole, you can't use that disc anymore. That disc is gone. 12 discs, 3 people, 4 holes. Ooh, Peter, don't do a playoff. Don't battle me in a playoff. There's no more discs.
There's no more.
There's no more.
I'll have to throw myself.
Oh. Let's go. Let's do it. Reach in, Peter, and grab one.
No, that's mine. I got the Thrasher. Yeah, Flippy, which is gonna be everything in this box.
I got the thumb track heat.
Ooh, show the warp on that, baby.
Fun backstory. We'll explain that as we go.
There's no backstory.
No.
I just bought it when it was super warped.
Right.
I got an Essence. That's cool. Flippy.
Just go.
So we're at hole 1. As you can hear, it's the wind. Straight through those trees. The wind is like kind of at our backs, like a left to right.
Not really.
But it is very swirly, so stuff could get a little crazy. Oh, jeez. Out of my hand, that thing looked perfect, and then it was like, woo!
I got the heat. Here we go.
What the?
That didn't flip.
Right into the freaking tree.
What was that? How did that not flip?
I don't know. I put it on, I think I put it on a little hyzer.
That thing's flippy. All right.
That was beyond
So far. I didn't think it was gonna do that.
Absolutely.
I thought I threw it on enough hyzer
Destroy.
that it was gonna not flip up all the way to flat. Oh my god.
This challenge is interesting.
I put 0 power on that and it just glided.
Glided?
Glided.
Clouded.
Glided, clouded, gleeded.
Hold
Yeah.
on, we might get censored. This is gonna be like seriously what I said in there. Great shot. Woo. That wind, crazy stuff.
Ah!
Oh no.
You hate to see it, folks. You hate to see it.
Oh, gross.
Woo!
I got a Discmania Astronaut, so that's...
Go to Thrasher. At least I know how it works. I threw it on the ground.
And I got a Sheriff, which is probably the best disc in this box.
In the box. So yeah, I get to throw that, and I'm first. Yeah, hole 2, straight.
Straight.
Hey,
Yeah,
not enough hyzer on that, and then not bad.
it flipped.
You got to keep stuff low in the wind. It did flip though.
Is that what you did?
I was trying to keep it lower,
Oh, that's smart.
but you could also play the wind. But the problem is, the swirly wind is hard to play.
Oh god. Oh my god. That is so flippy. Oh jeez. That was bad. What the?
I'll probably still 3-putt from there, but
What the heck? No wind on that. That was lame. Oh. Still a driver.
still a driver.
Still a driver. It does driver things.
it.
Oh no.
Oh boy.
Oh no, tester.
Oh boy.
Tester. Parks.
Yeah.
Parks and
maybe
Rec.
I should throw 12-speed drivers at my 100-foot up shots like that more often.
Absolutely.
Zone? Zone who?
Zone? Hardly knew her.
You turned the wind off.
Yucking it up over there. Giving me a lift.
That was a 10.
Ow, 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 ow. Oh, this thing is nasty.
Here we go.
I got Hades. Cool.
I got a Star Sidewinder.
Ew.
Yeah,
light.
super lightweight.
I got a Genius.
Ew.
Does not feel good.
Also,
It has this nasty bead. Do not like it.
it's not the beaded challenge, it's the flippy challenge. Still you.
It looked.
Oh, you gotta go. You gotta go.
Okay, well, I gotta explain the hole. The next hole is straight. I mean, everything's pretty straight. We got it right to left. Yep. That thing is unbelievably flippy. Like, unbelievably. I didn't expect that much flip out of that thing.
You gotta talk louder.
I'm talking loud.
Oh yeah. Whoa. Go. That's so far.
It's crying.
But that was beautiful Italian fingers, beautiful flights.
It's like my favorite
Mwah.
flippy disc.
Mwah.
Oh,
Oh
geez.
boy. Sidewinder, here we go.
Whoa. Where are you going?
Somehow, too much hyzer and still grip locked it.
Somehow.
So, I don't know. That was terrible. Here we go.
Whoa.
Play the wind a little bit and not go hyzer. I'm gonna try and go anhyzer. It just never comes out. Never comes out, ever. Dang it!
I'm gonna do the dumbest, most daring thing ever and throw this on four hands. Hey, I'll take that.
I mean, what do I have to lose? Might as well just not even look at the basket.
Nobody told them losers buying lunch.
In Hawaii.
Hawaii!
I gotta make this to get a stroke back, so I gotta make it. Oh, oh, no!
All threes all day.
Last hole. It all comes down to this. So what's left? We have an Essence. We have a Roadrunner. And an upside down Jade. Everything else was great, except for that. Justice gets to pick. Wait, how are we doing this?
So I got left, right, or center.
Left, right, or center,
Right.
Justice? He picks the Roadrunner.
My disc.
All right, left or right? I'll go. Eeny, meeny, right.
Your right or my right?
This one.
This one.
Yeah! My Essence!
We all got discs that we brought.
And you got the Jade.
I got my wife's Jade.
Aw.
Last hole, we decided to make kind of like a custom hole. It's to try to get an interesting wind, because all the other holes have like really nasty OB next to them that we don't want to deal with.
Yeah.
or just really short and dinky. So this hole, pretty straight. Everything's a bit straight, but yeah.
This one got a little gap.
A gap.
Pretty wide gap, but gap.
Yeah, not really a gap, but yeah, the wind can do whatever it wants.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Did he throw it away?
I threw it.
In,
What?
Into the ground?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, that's not it. Cut roll. Cut roll. No. Got like a wind bounce.
That did get a wind bounce.
That's crazy. I mean, you just got to get up and down. Yeah, it was
I
flippy.
didn't get it up. Yeah, it was flippy, but I wanted to get it up.
You need to throw it high. We
I
both
know.
need to
Yeah,
throw it high.
We both need to throw higher.
Give it a chance to flip.
Go in! Oh no, the tester putt behind the tree!
Too much hyzer. Too much. I thought the wind would pick up, and it didn't.
If I had hair, you would see all of Nebraska trying to stop me from making this putt. It is a straight headwind.
Oh, dang it. You just gave yourself my putt.
Yeah, I know, I did see your putt. Ooh. Whoa.
No! If Jordan makes this putt, we're tied. I took a bogey. That's actually what I'm more upset about. I was going par.
Holy cow, it's windy. If you like this challenge, leave a like, leave a comment with any other idea that you got that we could try. More wind rounds, because those are fun.
Maybe we'll go to Florida and play in a hurricane.
Ooh, gale force wind.
No. But if we find a windier day and we have other courses that are really open, they were just a lot further of a drive.
Maybe we'll do the overstable challenge in the wind, and you can see the difference.
Maybe.
The beef challenge. The where's the beef
The
challenge.
Wendy's challenge.
The Wendy's challenge. The 4x4 challenge. Also, subscribe if you want to see more content like this.
Victory! Ow. Why does a high five missed like hurt more than a high five made?